Here are 5 garden do's and don'ts when you're working in your garden this spring. Don't work in wet or saturated soil. In fact, if you can, don't even walk in it. You will destroy the crumb structure and create soil compaction, and it will be hard to ever get it back. When planting trees, be careful of the soil level. Top of the soil level in the pot needs to be on top at the ground, so don't bring your soil up the trunk. Don't till. Clear only what you need for seeding or planting, mulch the rest, leave the worms to do the digging. Don't plant your B&B plants too deep. The top of this root ball is the top of the soil level. Make sure once you get your plant in the hole, you remove the string, you unwrap the burlap, you tuck it underneath the soil so it doesn't act as a wick to take away all your moisture. And I know it sounds simple, but locate your plants where you have a water source. With our drier summers, they need a little bit of help in the summer to get going.